Hi, I am Ujjwal Konar, founder at Konar Classes. Today I would like to show you the online learning platform and online test platform as developed by us and presently used by thousands of students and the amount of impact it made to the students. Before I proceed further, if you want to know more about us, please look into our website konarclasses.com. In today's preparation for entrance examinations and board examinations, the effectiveness and efficiency of online platform is extremely important. Yes, you can do all this from your books as well, okay, without using online platforms. But the efficiency and effectiveness, okay, that you are going to miss if you are not using the online platform. Let me explain you why it is so. The number one reason, there are four reasons I am going to tell. The number one reason is that if the latest questions, to get the latest question from book, you need to wait for the next edition of the book. But in case of online platform, it is almost available immediately. The second point is that if there is a mistake in the question, okay, so you need to wait for the next edition to come to get it corrected in the book. But in case of online platform, it is almost available immediately. Third one is that the pattern of questions in the entrance examinations are frequently changing. Let me give you an example. For JEE Main, in the last 3 years, the pattern has been changed. In 2019, 2020, and 2021, the patterns have changed. Now, it is important to students to appear paper based on those new patterns and which are available in the online platform almost immediately rather than conventional books. And the fourth one is that in the conventional test series, once you appear a test series paper, then to get the result and your relative position with respect to the other students, it takes some time. But in case of online platform, it is almost immediate. Now, I have said about the advantages of online platform. Now, there are disadvantages of online platform as well. And one of the most disadvantage, what I have experienced from by interacting with the students and looking into their pattern of study, is that the lack of concentration, due to the usage of digital devices to appear online platform. Okay, so now I am going to take another video to explain that how this can be addressed. I am not explaining it here, otherwise this video will be quite long. Now I am going to tell you the different features of this online test platform and online learning platform as developed by our parent company, Crisco Software Private Limited. So this online platform is maintained and developed by Crisco Software Private Limited, our parent company. Now, we have a great set of questions and we made those questions in a very effective manner and very systematic manner to categorize in the following set of tests. The first one is that, DPP, that is called Daily Practice Problem. Second one is the UT, that is unit test. Third one is the MDT, that is module test. The fourth one is that WT, that is weekly test. And fifth one is the mock test. So you can get all these detailed description and detailed features about this test in the description section of the video. I will suggest you go through all these description sections in details and to get a clear idea about the features about all these tests. Now, after giving the test, the result is immediately available, and also this is published over email and by means of reports. Once you get the result, you able to view the detailed solution, the scope of improvement, your position with respect to the other students, and also get a direct interact with our faculty members. We evaluate descriptive papers as well. Okay, so let me give you an example. A student based in Mumbai can appear a descriptive paper and upload his or her answer paper into our website, and then it is getting evaluated by expert faculty member who is in at Delhi. Okay, so the point is that once the evaluation is done, then that evaluated paper along with the scope of improvement analysis report is uploaded back to the online platform, which is available to the students sitting in Mumbai. Okay, so now once the test is done, we communicate the result of the test over email, and both the students and parents are able to access this result either over email or going to the login to the online platform by looking into the reports. Now let me come to the the study material and the video demonstration and video lectures of all these topics. Starting from class 6 till class 12, all the topics are the videos of all these topics are well articulated and organized in a systematic manner, so that the students can look into it, understand the concepts, and proceed further. The study materials also available. Now we have leveraged the cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive data analysis to make that platform more rock solid, which in turn helps students to prepare more effectively and in efficient manner. Internet is a great leveler. Okay, so at present it is being used starting from the tier 1 cities in India to the remote villages. We feel very proud when we see a student from remote village get a great rank in the entrance examinations leveraging our platform. Okay, I hope you get a fair amount of idea about our online test and learning platform. In case you have any query, please feel free to contact us, and most importantly, please look into the description section of this video and go through each and every link to understand the value we provide, the effectiveness and efficiency it can bring to your preparation. Thank you very much.